Hello there, lovers of the Caribbean. Welcome to this fantastic suite tour today at Sandals Regency La Toc. This is room code BS, which happens to be the amazing Sunset Bluff Honeymoon Oceanfront one-bedroom Butler suite with, the best part, a private pool. Hey guys, I'm Madison of Reliant Destinations and mycaribbeanluxury.com. I am thrilled to welcome you to my channel today, Mr TraveLux. We are YouTube's largest Sandals and Beaches Resorts channel, and we are always excited to bring you insider tours and so much more of these amazing and gorgeous suites and resorts. Out of the 3 Sandals resorts in St. Lucia, this one is the southernmost and of course does have that stay and play privilege, which you can go easily between Sandals Halcyon and also the gorgeous Sandals Grand St. Lucian. As we go and look at some raw footage of this suite today, I just want to let you know that this is suite number 1515 in case you're interested. This spacious suite has an amazing private pool that is at the foot of the bedroom where there are sliding doors that lead out to an amazing view, and let me just say, for true romance, this is where you want to be. The full Butler services do really make this a special experience, and if you want to take it up a notch, definitely get in touch about our complimentary concierge services at Reliant Destinations. It's definitely best to reach out before you book so we can help get the best deal, but if you did happen to book in the last 14 days over the phone or online, make sure to still get in touch so we can talk about what we might be able to do for you and add value to your booking. I invite you to have a look in that description below where there are contact details for myself and the team, and we would be delighted to help however we can. But for now, let's jump into the raw, unedited footage of this gorgeous suite, the BS Suite at Sandals Regency La Toc. Are you ready? Let's do it. So there you have it, folks, the Sunset Bluff Honeymoon Oceanfront 1-bedroom Butler suites with the private pool. Room category, BS. I hope you enjoyed looking at this amazing suite with me today. Again, if I could be of any assistance at any time, please make sure to reach out, and those contact details are both here on the screen and also in that description below. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I do look forward to hopefully seeing you in resort sometime. Take care and see you soon.